2 people were sent to the hospital after an incident in Macon.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground right now! On the ground!
Around noon on May 3rd, 2025, Macon County Sheriff's Office deputies responded to a 911 call at the PV Quick Stop in Macon for a man, 38-year-old Oscar McCurry of Macon, waving a machete at gas station patrons.
Now, he just stole a squad car. He just stole a squad. He's northbound on 51 in the southbound lanes. And
everyone's gonna swipe this car, yes. Making sure that you're downtown over at 51. West on call.
Shortly after deputies and an officer from the Decatur Park Police Department arrived, McCurry entered the squad car and drove around until he crashed into another squad car.
He pointed the shotgun out.
We're back northbound on over at 51.
Yeah, he pointed the shotgun out to the driver's side when he went past me.
If you have that was 1 or 2 now. Well, let's come in. It's been a while. Turn out just right there. Let it ride this coast. Come on again.
Damn!
93.
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine.
come on, let's go. Come on, come on. Come on, Albert, get up here. Come on.
McCurry got out of the squad car with a shotgun, at which point officers fired at McCurry.
Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired. Get down on the ground! Get down on the ground!
He's unarmed.
No, he's still got knives.
Get on the ground now.
On the ground!
I'm dead! Jimmy!
Get down on the ground!
Get on the ground.
Get down on the ground!
Get on the ground! Jimmy!
Get on the ground right now! On the ground!
Macon
start aiming. We got an officer that's
On the ground right
injured from an
now!
accident.
On the ground! Get on the ground!
Bring him down 51. They know where we're at. It's Officer Bullware.
Get on the ground, bro! Ground right now! Is that good? No. Scott, stay even with us, Scott. Stay even with us. On the ground right now! Get on the fucking ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Kill me! Kill me! Kill me!
Get on the ground!
Kill me!
Get on the ground, bro! Drop the knives and get on the ground!
No!
Get on the ground!
I gotta die!
He's gonna charge at us. Back up, back up, back up. Create more distance, create more distance.
We're not secure.
We got a long gun to our left. Long gun to our left. Get down on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground right now! On the ground!
Macon, start aiming. We got an officer that's
One officer was injured in the incident, but was able to be released from the hospital the same day. McCurry is currently in the Macon County Jail.